Welcome to Line Paper. Who is Line Paper today? We are from a manufacturer to lifestyle solutions partner. Now, let's dive deep into the core shift. Yesterday, we are a small-scale OEM manufacturer and trader and focus on low-cost production capacity. And today, we are ecological service provider. Core value for customer is A plus B plus C plus D multiple base structure. And delivery integrate agile and resilient supply chain solution for global client. And the key commitment what we are do is accurate delivery and controllable quality and rapid response and cost optimization. So what's our A plus B plus C and plus D multiple base structure? We are supply chain architecture here is A is our Jiaxing China Product Solution Center. We focus on research and design and service, sales and supply chain cooperation. And B is our factory in China. We are focused on small batch, flexible production, rapid prototyping, short lead time delivery. C is our Cambodia factory. They are focused on large scale mass production and cost optimization and stable supplier. D is our partner in South Korea. They service as high value production and high-end process adaptation and quality upgrading. Then let's start with the first key solutions, A plus B. A is our China Jiaxing Product Solution Center. B is our factory in Jiaxing, China. And this is A plus B. The core service is small batch, rapid delivery. And second is low MOQ, is around 500 units. And the delivery advantage, we service very quick, rapid sampling and fast delivery. And applicable scenarios, we service market testing, holiday limited products, and small batch replenishment needs. And the core value for customers, we give us customers lower cost, a very competitive cost. This reduce customers' cost and quick responding to dramatic market demands. Then the second solution is A plus C. A is our Jiaxing Supply Chain Solution Center. C is our Cambodia factory. We service larger branch architecture delivery and price advantage. We service very competitive price. This price is normally very cheap, lower than industry, about 10%. And the delivery granularity and large-scale production capacity, stable supply chain, and accurate lead time control. This is our service, okay? And applicable scenarios, high-end brands, nature customization, gift order need, and core value, we do meeting customers' need with high-end quality, agile delivery. Next, let's look at the full circle value-added service, A plus B plus D plus D. So let's see. The first one is R&D and design, customizing product solutions. And the second, procurement service, global sourcing for high-end quality, low material, and dual control of cost and quality. And the third one is production management. We unify the quality control standard across multiple bases: China, Cambodia, and Korea. And the fourth one is sales supportment, real-time order tracking, rapid after-sales response, worry-free, full supply chain circle. Finally, what our goal for tomorrow? Tomorrow, we are becoming a supply and service provider co-collector. Our vision is build a virtual factory and deepening the A plus B plus C plus D architecture. And the three core goals: fast turnaround for small orders, first one. Second one is cross-margin improvement. Third one is sustainable supply chain. That's all for today. Thanks for listening and feel free to contact us anytime.